So we are playing bingo again.
Card bingo.
Card
Yes.
bingo.
We're in the clubhouse.
One more time.
Yep. Another time.
So
We'll see how our luck goes. We already used up our beginner's luck last week, so who knows? Who knows?
Watch along with us. Let's see what happens.
We have our money to play.
Photobomb. We have our bang. We have our bag of money.
We have our bag of money.
Okay?
All right.
Here we go.
Well, I'm counting up our winnings from last night. Woohoo! And we made 20 cents.
What?
So our original investment was $4.40, $2.20 for you to play and $2.20 for me to play. And we came home with $4.60. So, woohoo!
I love it. You're a cheap date.
I am. Look at that. And $1 for ice cream. Woo!
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
So I've been playing all day. I've been going through the clump jewelry, as we call it. So this little box, clump jewelry, this is the lid. Some of this is stuff that I got the previous times that I did the clump jewelry, and I went through it and picked out, oh my gosh, Kaylee. I went through and kind of reworked stuff, and I have, out of these beads that I had that were all on these multiple chains, it was like many strands of this. Well, I have made 3 sets of jewelry. So I made a necklace, a bracelet, a pair of earrings, and plus I have 2 more sets just like that. And I made some earrings out of those hoops. They were part of a necklace that I took apart. So I made 2 pair of hoop earrings. I had this pendant from a previous time, and then I got this chain and put that together. This is just a bag of random chain and clasps from stuff I took apart. This is all loose stuff from jewelry that I took apart. This was in the most recent, and so was this and this and this and this one and these were from the recent stuff I took apart. This was previously, and so were some of these other things were previous. These are necklaces I got in one of the clumps. And I'm keeping those. It's just a little bracelet. This is one I just put together. All I had was this part from this batch, and then I just put it on a different chain that I had. This is a necklace that I had previously from a clump. So is this one. This here, all I had was this part, and I think that this was actually an earring. I took the ear wire off and put it on a chain. And then this one here, this I just got in this clump, but the chain I got in a previous clump, and so I just put that one together. I made a couple different other necklaces. This is from 2 different necklaces. Made this necklace with 2 different parts. I was able to put these on a chain from pieces and parts. So I got quite a few pieces out of the couple of clumps that I received. There's more jewelry in here that I might keep, I might not. I'm definitely keeping all of the watches. These are all watches, pendants, that I got previously. A couple of random earrings I'll probably add into necklaces. This is a random earring I'll probably make into a necklace. But it's just been fun. I've just been sitting here on the floor all day long. Basically all day long. We went for a walk. But just reworking, and I still have all of this to use to make new stuff with, and probably be putting some of this stuff up for sale.
Where?
So, probably on my Facebook, Crafty Stuff and More. We don't have the website anymore, but I do still have the Facebook page. So I'll be photographing them and posting them on there. It'll be the picture, and then the description will be in the comments, because you can't put it all together in a post on Facebook. So it has to be that way. So if you see a picture of something that you like, go down to the comments section, and that's where the details will be on how to purchase it if you're interested, or how much it is. Look what I'm making. You probably won't like it. It's lemon, but it's a new recipe. I thought I'd give it a try. We're going over to Bob and Pearl's tomorrow, so I'm going to bring a couple of different desserts. And this one is like kind of like a lemon fudge. We'll see how it turns out.
How'd you make it?
I made it with white chocolate and lemon frosting. So we'll see. It's got to cool, obviously. And then I'm going to make one more thing, maybe two. I don't know. I may make a pecan pie. We'll see how I feel. Hello. It's grocery day. So grocery day involves some repackaging so things fit places. And I've also discovered, I saw it somewhere, that if you pull the bananas apart and you wrap it with foil, they last longer before they start turning brown. And it does work. So I am doing that. So I just cut little pieces of foil to wrap around. I don't know, does anybody else do that? I know people say to hang them. But if you hang them, then you can't separate them. So I think that, and don't keep them near apples. Apples will make them really ripen up way too fast. So don't put them in a bowl with apples. Oh, we have more stuff to separate and put away. So Tom picked out this package of tri-tip steaks, and there's 3 of them in here. So I'm going to freeze 2 of them, and he'll have one to cook up on the grill, and I'm going to put the other 2 in here and date it.
So you got an expiration date?
No, just the date that we put it in there.
Oh. Gotcha. You're separating them?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you're going to eat 3 steaks at one sitting?
Why not?
Yeah, no. We're not that rich. Everything is segregated into serving sizes. That was like the dinner rolls. I separated those in 2 in a package, and then they go in the freezer, and that way we only have 1 each at a dinner, instead of saying, oh, I really want another roll. Nope, sorry, they're frozen. Budgeting, right? Which one do you want to keep held out?
You surprised me.
Okay. Oh, look, it's in pieces. That's okay. We'll consider that one. See, this would have been perfect if I ate meat, but I don't. Ta-da! And then this one, well, actually, I probably should put that one in a bag too, because now the package is ripped. You're not gonna, is it too windy to grill tonight? No? Okay, then we'll save that for tonight. Let's wrap it back up again. And these will go in the freezer somewhere. Okay, so we get this Genio ground turkey. It's a 3-pound package, and I split it up. I was splitting it up into 2 flats, meaning 1 pound each for this loose ground meat. But we've been buying the Italian sausage, so I've been using that for other things that I would use loose meat. So anyhow, that even made any sense or not, but you'll see. So I pressed it all down so that it's kind of evenly in the package. Okay, pretty good.
So it's kind of like Play-Doh.
I guess, if you want to call it that. Mud pie. So I use these little ridges right here to kind of separate it. So right here is one of the pounds. And then one right here. So with one of these, I'm going to put it in a baggie. We'll just take it out of the center this time. Actually, it's easier to do it like this. Put it in the bag. It's all down there.
Now, how come you didn't date that one?
Because we'll eat it fast enough. The steak might stay in there for a little while.
Okay.
That way we know what it is. This I know is ground turkey, so. Food doesn't last that long. So, okay, so I'm kind of squeezing all the air out of the bag. And also, ooh, that's nice. Seal it up, and then I smush it all flat.
And why?
So it fits in the freezer easier.
So you can just stack them.
This takes less room. I was putting them in like a Tupperware container, but this takes way less room. Like that. And then there's a spot right in the freezer. Right here on top of that tray where that goes. Perfect. Takes up less room. And then with the rest of this, I will split it up into 8. Like that.
Why?
Why? Because then it goes in for burgers.
Oh, so each one of those is a burger.
Each one of these is a burger.
Chopped burgers.
Well, it'll be a burger, or we could use it for like taco meat or something. I can just buy out a couple of these. That way it is cost effective.
So now you're smooshing it down.
Smushing it down, making it a burger. Now these little Tupperware things, the actual design is for each one of these to stack on top of each other, but they're really hard to get apart. So I just put them in a baggie. And plus, this way I can stuff one here, one there in the freezer, wherever it fits. But a big stack of them isn't going to fit very easy. So that's what I do with our ground turkey. I'll be getting to the chicken next. Okay, now it's time to do the chicken. So we got a big package here. It has 5 chicken breasts in it. And they're usually very big. Something I do, and this is just for my benefit, is I'll cut this tag off, I'll wash it, and I'll stick it with the receipt. That way I know how much it was per pound, because it doesn't say it on the receipt. So I'll wipe that off later.
So you always keep track of what you're spending per pound.
So before I put these in a baggie in the freezer, I like to get all this yucky skin fat stuff off. Oops. And like this kind of stuff. Just clean it up a little bit. And then stick it in a baggie, and no, I'm not dating this. I know this is a chicken breast and it will be gone before very long. I'm not putting things in a deep freeze, so it really doesn't have to be labeled. Just a tri-tip, that way we know what kind of beef it is and when we froze it. So that's about it. We will probably split each of these chicken breasts. We'll have half of one because they're so big. Usually that's enough, or I'll eat like half of a half and then you'll have 3/4 of it. What?
You just gonna stand there and look pretty?
No. That would require looking pretty. What? I'm done. I'm done putting groceries away. I don't know what you wanted me to say. I think you should do it. You direct yourself and tell you what you want to say.
So did you like that video? Yes or no? Let us know in the comments. You want to see more of it? Yes or no? Let us know in the comments. You want to find out how we live day to day in our RV? Yes or no? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell, get notified every time we put up a brand new video. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you so much. See ya!
Take your banner and raise it.